your eyes, you look away when you pretend not to care. I like the dimples on the corners of the smile that you wear. I like you more though.
Good morning, class. Welcome back to our online program from American Bridge International School with teacher again. How are you doing, everyone? Okay, I hope all you guys are fine, and for me, I'm good. All right, everyone. What day is today? Yes, today is Thursday, and the month is July. The date? Yes, the date is 9, 2020. All right, good job, everyone. How was your art quiz yesterday? Everything goes smoothly. All right, I hope all you guys can do it well and get high score from your teacher. All right, good job, everyone. Okay, so for today is Thursday, right? So every Thursday we always study about Phonics 3. Okay, before we continue our lesson, could you please tell me what did we learn yesterday? Okay, great job. Yesterday we learned about the sound Ike. Okay, everyone, do you remember how many words that we learned from the sound Ike? Yes, you are right. There are 3 words. The first one is bike. The second one is hike, and the last one is like. All right, everyone. So don't waste the time. Let's read our review with teacher together. Okay. All right. Review. Sound Ike. 1. Bike. 2. Hike. 3. Like. One more time. Bike, hike, like. Okay, now repeat after me louder. Bike. Good. Hike. Like. Okay, great job. Now let's spell together. Bike. B-I-K-E. Bike. Hike. H-I-K-E. Hike. Okay. 3. Like. L-I-K-E. Like. Alright, everyone. Now please spell by yourself. Number 1, bike. Great job. Number 2, hike. Wow, well done. 3, like. Wow, great job, everyone. You're very clear with the sound Ike, right? Okay, good. So, everyone, before I gonna start a new lesson, please everyone open your book on page 30 and 31. So, your exercise, Unit 2. Don't forget to say, trace and write. Understand? And one more page. It's about page 31. Read, circle, and write. So the first one, which picture is this? Yes, like, right? So you can choose letter L with X sound or X sound. X or X, everyone? Yes, that's right. X. So you need to circle this one with sound with X sound, and after that write it right here, right? Like. 2, 3, do it by yourself. And here you need to listen and circle. For example, number 1, if you hear, hike, you need to circle hike. Alright, great job. Okay, everyone, so now please read our lesson with teacher together, okay? Alright. Thursday, July 9, 2020. Phonics 3. Phonics 3. Unit 3. Sound Ike. Sound Ike. Page 31. Make sentences. Make sentences. 1. He has a bike. He has a bike. 2. I want to hike. I want to hike. 3. I like teddy bear. I like teddy bear. One more time. He has a bike. I want to hike. I like teddy bear. Okay, great. So now everyone repeat after me louder. He has a bike. Great job. I want to hike. Well done. I like teddy bear. Wow, excellent. Okay, now please read by yourself. 1. 2. 3. Wow, great everyone. Okay, so now you can see here. This is the sentence from the word. Yeah, from the word with the sound ike. And after that we use all these 3 words to make sentences. Okay, everyone, could you please tell me for the first sentences which word is about the ike sound? Which word? Yeah, you are right. The word bike. Okay. Read one more time. He has a bike. Bike. Good. So number 2. Which word is the word with the sound ike, everyone? Wow, great. So the word, the word hike. Read one more time. I want to hike. I want to hike. 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 Okay, great. And number 3. I like teddy bear. Okay, which word is the word with the sound ike? Yes, you are right. The word, the word like. Okay, read one more time. I like teddy bear. Like. Okay, great. So I hope all you guys can read all these sentences well, right? Okay, everyone. So our first session is finished. See you guys in the second session. Bye bye.